My name is Karen. Welcome to this free CapCut video editing AI technology tutorial. Hi there. In today's free online technology how to AI video tutorial, I will show you how to make the best thumbnails for YouTube videos and online social media platforms using free AI tool Copilot. Step 1. Download Copilot. Copilot can be accessed by downloading and installing Microsoft Edge. Once Microsoft Edge has been installed, open it. Step 2. Open Microsoft Edge. Once opened, copy and paste the link down in the video description below, or pin comment, or type in the website here with the cheat code https://copilot.microsoft.com. Once loaded, you will see a website similar to this. Copilot, your everyday AI companion. There are 3 options down below, or a conversational style. In this video example, we will be using the middle option, or called more balanced. Step 3. Choose a conversation style. You can choose and experiment with the other options, creative and precise as well. Now that you have chosen this option, you can ask Copilot anything you want or desire down below in the free chat box right here. I want to create an awesome looking thumbnail for YouTube, and I also want Copilot to create this for me, so I don't have to create a YouTube thumbnail myself. I want to save time. Step 4. Come up with a prompt. You want Copilot AI to generate a free image. Okay. Now you will type in whatever you want the Copilot free AI tool to generate. I have a prompt which says create me a beautiful looking woman who is blonde, young and fit looking, who is sitting down at a table inside her room which is dark or well lit, and she is looking up and pointing to the right part of the screen of the camera which is displaying her. Also make sure the woman is wearing glasses, and that her background of her room has interesting things such as trophies for sports, and that her room is well presentable. Step 5. Paste or type in your prompt in the chat box below. Okay, once you have figured out a prompt you would like Copilot free AI tool to use and create you a free YouTube thumbnail, copy and paste it down below in the Ask My Anything chat box. Step 6. Click enter. This will take some time to load depending on your internet speed and how long the prompt you gave to Copilot in order to generate a free YouTube thumbnail. Once loaded, you will be given a picture or an image, or multiple pictures and images. Step 7. Choose one of the images. Click one of the images of your liking. This image, which is the first image, looks brilliant. You have multiple opens to choose from on the bottom middle screen. In this example, we will mess around with all of the different free Copilot options. Pixel art, watercolor. You can click the undo option if you don't like the image, or the looks good option, block print. Oh my god, that looks amazing. Steampunk sexy. I can't believe this is free. Now we are talking. Step 8. Save the final image for free. YouTube thumbnail. In order to save the image and use it for YouTube or an online social media platform, you have to save the image. To do this, click on the top 3 dots on the top right screen, or next to the share button icon. Click on the second option, download. Step 9. Final touches. If you want, drag your mouse or cursor onto the selected image. As you can see, you can click anywhere in the picture image, and you will be granted access to edit the photo. Option 1. Color pop. Wow, that looks amazing. Option 2. Blur background. Absolutely stunning. In order to maximize this free online YouTube thumbnail generator tool, click on all of the other photo options and click Save or Download. In this way, you have multiple photos to choose from. Step 10. Upload your YouTube video. Go to youtube.com and click Upload a video. Once the video has uploaded, scroll down and click the Custom Thumbnail feature. Choose the desired photo you wish to use as the YouTube thumbnail. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more free online technology how to AI video tutorials, share this video, drop a like and comment, and subscribe to the channel with all post notifications turned on. My name is Karen. Have a great rest of your day.